This video will show you how to replace the rear driver's side floor pan splash shield on a Mitsubishi Outlander. You'll have one of these on each side of the vehicle and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the rear of the vehicle. Now what we're looking for just in front of our fuel tank is the splash shield. As far as the splash shield, there's going to be two pieces of hardware that need to be removed. You'll have a 10mm nut over here, and on the far side or the outboard side, you should find you have a second 10mm mounting nut. As you can tell, this piece of hardware has been replaced. It looks as though it's a bolt. In this instance, you would want to be using a 10mm for each piece of hardware. As I mentioned, this should be a nut. Ours is a bolt. Let's go ahead and remove that first. So now we'll make our way over towards the next piece of hardware. As I mentioned, we should be using a 10mm for our hardware here. Let's go ahead and remove that mounting nut. Go ahead and remove the shield. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installing our brand new part, of course we want to clean and inspect the mounting areas. I'm going to start on the inboard side here. We can see our mounting stud. We'll just give that a quick wipe. Close inspection. It's not rotted, damaged, or weak in any way. We'll make our way over here. Now, there should be another stud in this instance. It is broken, as you know. Somebody replaced it with a bolt. We'll just wipe it down. And now it's time for installation of the brand new splash shield. We'll get this in position. It should slide over each one of the two studs. We have one over here. And of course, there would be one on the far side. Once you have that in place, continue on with your mounting hardware. We're going to start on both pieces of hardware before we tighten either. Now this should slide onto that stud. As you know, ours is damaged, so I'm going to be installing my mounting bolt directly into the port that I had removed it from. Both pieces of hardware are started in, so we can snug them up. Okay, that's bottomed out. Okay, we finished our installation. Just double check to make sure it's secured. Make your way out from under the vehicle and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.